Hello and welcome to All Taste German. In this video I will show you how to make a German dish named Linsen und Spätzle. This lentil recipe is one of the most popular dishes in the south of Germany, especially in Baden-Württemberg, where the famous Mercedes Benz and Porsche cars originate. Let me show you how to make this Swabian favorite. Peel and cube the onion. Clean and slice the leek into fine slices and then rinse the slices and drain well. Then peel and cube the carrots. Next you need to cut the bacon finely and then cut the pork belly into 1-inch slices. Butter to a large pot and melt on medium-high. Add the onions, the pork belly and bacon and cook for a couple of minutes on medium-low. In the meantime, rinse the lentils and sort out the bad ones. Then they are ready to add them to the pot. There is no soaking necessary. Add the broth and spices and bring to a boil. Then let simmer for about 10 minutes. Shred the potato. You should use a starchy potato like a russet. Add the potato and the rest of the veggies to the pot. Let simmer for about 20 more minutes. Check if you need to add some more salt or pepper and then add the vinegar and the franks. Allow to sit for 10 minutes on minimum heat. Serve with homemade Spätzle. You will find a recipe for these homemade German noodles in the description. Guten Appetit!